lot of, I think people underestimate the level of poverty that can be in America.
Yeah, but you are the difference to the level of poverty. That you can go take $3 and buy one honey bun. $1.50 you buy one honey bun.
Yeah, but here's the thing. Them places, yes, you can go buy a honey bun, right? But depending on where you are, there's other options too, where you can probably go find actual.
Yeah, but that's when you spend America money.
Yeah.
So that they. Brother,
But remember, there's a lot of people in America that's still not making that,
Yeah, but the minimum wage in a majority of the states them is like $7-8.
Yes, but what point is the minimum wage if nobody not a job? You can always raise the minimum wage, You not give the people them work. How not gonna raise the minimum wage and then fire everybody? That's crazy, dog.
Capitalism is a hell of a thing, yeah, brother. There is really no winning.
I always want to know, bro. How maybe the comments know. How the price them get lower? How will lower price? Cause bro, from me bad, me not see price go down ever yet.